how to turn off your Bambu Lab P2S 3D printer. Now, on the LCD screen, there's nothing to press to turn off your P2S. The only thing to turn off is at the back of your P2S, and this is this on and off switch. And the only way of turning your P2S off is switching this, and that'll fully power off your P2S. However, according to the manuals and things like that, the Bambu Lab P2S is made to be kept on in standby mode, as it's low power when it's in this mode. If your Bambu Lab P2S chamber light is always on, and that's why you're thinking, how do I turn it off? That's a separate video, and you can check that one out here rather than actually switching it off at the back. So hopefully this video clears it up how to turn off the Bambu Lab P2S 3D printer. If it does, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.